The use of plastic on engines is kind of stupid. Now I know there's a lot of different variables that go into that, but overall it just doesn't seem very smart. And for this Kawasaki V-twin motor, things got real bad. This motor's poor fate came from this, or well, the old one of these. This is of course the fan that mounts on top of the motor to move air to keep everything cool. And I guess they're notorious for just exploding, which this one did while my brother was mowing and he didn't notice. But what makes it worse is that he didn't notice until the engine got so hot that it started to lose oil pressure and it threw an engine light. The rotating assembly of this engine is actually still fine, but this once again plastic governor is not so fine. This is of course the internal mechanism that regulates the throttle of the engine, and it used to fit inside here and it was nice and circular and had a bunch of balls that sprung outwards with centrifugal force. But of course when the oil is several hundred degrees hotter than it needs to be, this is just gonna melt. Now I know it's obviously not designed for it to be that hot because that should never happen, but obviously sometimes it does. But other than that, this engine is fine, so if it was made of metal, we wouldn't have had to completely tear it down and tear it apart.